Good evening, I am Sri Hari Rao. Today I am going to present a paper titled Exploring Cyber Intelligence Alternatives for Countering Cybercrime. This is the agenda. And coming to the terminology and background, cybercrime is a violation against the law, code, criminal code, act, constitution using web as a media. And CGOT stands for Cheating Government of Telangana. And SGOT stands for Sedition Government of Telangana, and SGOT stands for Fake Government of Telangana. And cheating crime, sedition crime, State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005, and these are the crimes. And JNTH Jack has association with online CGOT, SGOT, FGOT, and runs unlawful organized activity in JNTH. So here we can find a snapshot of the website jnthjack.com, where we have the cyber criminal content in the logo here. So this website has committed 3 crimes altogether. And cyber laws, so which are the laws meant for dealing with the handling the cyber crimes. IT Act 2000 and 2008 set in Computer Emergency Response Team in India. ICANN, International Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Cognizable offence. What is cognizable offence? An offence which can be perceived, which can be perceived and which can be identified is a cognizable offence. Intelligence. Intelligence is the act of gaining information, presenting ability to present information, etc. IQ stands for intelligent quotient. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and WI stands for web intelligence, and CI stands for cyber intelligence. Web intelligence and cyber intelligence are same; they can be treated as same. And collective intelligence, it is the intelligence that is the result of collective effort by a group of people, group of organizations. And social networks. Social networks are the networks that are present between the people in the society. Social networks analysis, analyzing the social networks. Social websites. So examples are Facebook, Twitter, which are useful to have social exchanges. And the content that is culpable as a cybercrime, that is present in this website. And the cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime, that is the subject here. Cyber forensics is the field of study with regard to forensic evidence related to or based on web data and resources. And exploring cyber intelligence, we have here we have cyber crimes perpetrated against a nation. We have 3 cyber crimes. One is SCI PIUA violation and provisions. Second one is cheating crime, and the third one is sedition crime. So here this State Emblem of India, what are the provisions for this State Emblem of India? They are discussed here, and how State Emblem of India can be used. Usage details are found here. And next one is Computer Emergency Response Team. SET. It is a team of experts as well as a registered service mark of Carnegie Mellon University, CMU. It is licensed to other teams around the world. It handles computer security incidents rather than other tech support work. And it plays a key role in the elimination of malware and computer worms on the internet. Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, SET-IN, or we can also say INSET. It is a government organization under Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, MeitY, and it's formed in 2004 with headquarters at New Delhi with the motto of handling computer security incidents. And it serves as a national agency to perform these functions. Functions include the collection, analysis, and dissemination of information on cyber incidents, forecast and alerts of cybersecurity incidents, emergency measures for handling cybersecurity incidents, coordination of cyber incident response activities, and issue guidelines, advisories, vulnerability notes and white papers relating to information security practices, procedures, prevention, response and reporting of cyber incidents, and such other functions relating to cyber security as may be prescribed. And here we have ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICANN performs the IANA, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority functions under a US government contract. And IANA functions are key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet's underlying address book, which is a domain name system. And IANA functions are the coordination of the assignment of technical protocol parameters, including the management of the address and routing parameter area, top level domain, the administration of certain responsibilities associated with Internet DNS root zone management, such as generic and country code top level domains, and the allocation of Internet numbering resources and other services. And here RIPE MCC is one of 5 regional Internet registries providing Internet resource allocations, registration services and coordination activities that support the operation of the Internet globally. And cyber laws versus Indian context. Cyber law or Internet law, which means the legal issues related to the use of the Internet. Sub areas of cyber law and Internet law are Internet access and usage, privacy, freedom of expression and jurisdiction. Cyber laws provide legal recognition to e-documents. They provide a framework to support e-filing and e-commerce transactions. Cyber laws provide a legal framework to mitigate and check cyber crimes. A cyber security strategy was outlined by DT, Government of India, and it addresses the strategic objectives for securing countries' cyberspace and has taken up major initiatives for implementation. Under the Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs, the Cyber Regulations Appellate Tribunal was established. Indian laws are not able to devise mechanisms together with IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force, successfully for controlling the cyberspace. And coming to the conclusions and future work, we explored cyber intelligence and cybercrime by reporting a case study approach, and it is brought out that CERT-In is a remedying organizational setting with respect to the cyber crimes in India, and ICANN is identified as the organization relevant to blocking a website which involves incriminating culpable content relevant to cognizable crime. And cyber laws are not well laid to map the cyber crimes with the resultant punishments. For this, the technical intensity in crime involvement has to be graded. So in this regard, expertise in the field of cybercrime and cyber laws is not well developed. And these are the references. Thank you.